Takeoff ground, Cessna 3800 Papa, Juliet parking, information November, like a left crosswind to Coyote Hills.
Cessna 300 Papa, St. Cross, ground runway 12, taxi via Juliet.
Taxi 12 via Juliet 3800 Papa. Okay, so that's our taxi checklist. Brakes and steering, mag compass, attitude indicator, heading indicator, turn coordinator, all check. Takeoff out, is 3800 Sierra Papa, holding short 12, left crosswind, ready to depart.
Cessna 30 Sierra Papa, San Carlos Tower, left crossing departure, runway 12, clear for takeoff.
12 clear for takeoff, 3800 Sierra Papa. Speed to live, and we have 24. There 55, and we're out of here. Livermore Tower, Cessna 3800 Papa, 3500 at Sonol, inbound Sierra.
Cessna 380 Sierra Papa, Livermore Tower, make right, enter report a 2-mile right base, runway 25 right, pressure runway 7 right, traffic 3 miles south of the airport, southbound, south indicates 1,900.
Alright, enter right base for 7 right, report 2 miles, and looking for the traffic 380 Sierra Papa.
November 2 Tango Golf, continue runway heading for an additional mile and then left crosswind approved. Traffic off to your left, 2 aircraft inbound.
Left crosswind departure, and I'm a student pilot.
Continue on the upwind 1 mile, to clear traffic, Tango Golf. Cessna Cessna 4 Sierra Papa. Traffic you're following is behind and to your left, coming up on the tower. Do you have that in sight?
Looking for traffic 324 Sierra Papa.
Calling for departure, say again.
Cleared for departure 37 Zulu.
Negative, who's calling for departure?
Say again.
Okay, November 37 Zulu, say again your request. That wagon 1T Yankee, continue down when I'll call your base. Traffic will be parting for arrival.
Continue downwind, you'll call my base, 1T Yankee.
And 1T Yankee, base turn your discretion. That's a 4 Sierra Papa. Number 2, follow Skywagon, beam you at this time. Runway 7 left, clear to land. Number 2, report traffic in sight.
Number 2, 7 left, and traffic in sight, 324 Sierra Papa.
November 37 Zulu, Livermore Tower.
6637 Zulu, 7 left, I'd like a left crosswind departure.
Sundowner 6637 Zulu, Livermore Tower. Hold short of runway 7 left for 2 arrivals.
1-2 Yankees turning left face.
1-2 Yankee, roger.
25 left and like a straight out departure.
Cessna 0 Sierra Papa, Livermore Tower. Did you want a full stop?
Full stop, taxi back 0 Sierra Papa and wait 2 miles.
Cessna 0 Sierra Papa, runway 7 right, correction 7 right, clear to land.
7 right, clear to land 0 Sierra Papa.
Cherokee 4570 Tango, Livermore Tower, right base, runway 7 right, continue for 7 right.
Okay, understand, continue for 7 right, 70 Tango.
Cessna 0 Sierra Papa, right turn, contact ground point 6.
Right turn, ground point 6, 0 Sierra Papa. Livermore ground, Cessna 3 at 0 Sierra Papa, off 7 right at Quebec, taxi back, right crosswind departure.
Come a little closer, let me know your name. Who stepped into the light, sweet one, so I can see who you were. What's your name in the moonlight? What's your name in the street light? You know, you're looking so good, looking so fine, yeah. I can tell by the way that you're looking up high.
Cessna 3 at 0 Sierra Papa, hold short 7 right, right crosswind.
Cessna 380 Sierra Papa, Livermore Tower, fly runway heading. I will call your turn, runway 7 right, clear for takeoff.
Fly runway heading, you call that turn, 7 right, clear for takeoff, 3 at 0 Sierra Papa.
For runway 7 left.
Green.
Cessna 748 Sierra Papa, Livermore Tower. Make right traffic. Expect your clearance midfield. Report midfield downwind.
Understood. Make right traffic for runway 7 left. 8 Sierra Papa.
Cherokee 70 Tango. Left turn when able. Contact ground point 6.
Okay, left turn on Echo and ground point 6. 70 Tango. Thanks. Cessna 1 Tango Golf, we got the Nordo aircraft inbound. They're just right downwind of being the birdhouse. Can you make a tight right 360 on final for me to give them some space?
Roger, I can make a tight right 360, 1 Tango Golf.
Oh, this is nice.
The 7 Zulu Delta, thanks for your help, sir. Make a left turn. I say again, a left turn towards the Shoreline Amphitheater, and then you can turn final from there.
Roger, we'll make a left to Shoreline Amphitheater and then join final, 7 Zulu Delta.
This is 2 Tango Alpha, I'll call your base.
You'll call my base, 2 Tango Alpha.
And tower, 1085 Mike, ready in sequence. 1085 Mike, Palo Alto Tower, you're number 4 for departure. Bye-bye. 1 Tango Golf, thanks for your help. You're number 2 behind that Bonanza short final, runway 31, cleared for the option.
Roger, I see I'm number 2, clear for the option. Runway 31, 1 Tango Golf.
Cessna 2 Tango Alpha, make a left 360.
Making left 360, 2 Tango Alpha.
Zulu Delta, you're number 2, runway 31, cleared to land, and turn final over the amphitheater.
Roger, turning final over the amphitheater, cleared to land, half sight, 7 Zulu Delta.
All aircraft, thank you for your patience at Palo Alto. Today we had a Nordo aircraft inbound. We didn't know what he was doing. Thank you.
Palo Alto Tower, Cessna 3800 Sierra Papa coming up on Coyote Hills, inbound with Lima, full stop.
So 380 Sierra Papa, Palo Alto Tower, didn't make right traffic, runway 31.
Right traffic 31380 Sierra Papa.
Contact Moffett Tower, 119.55, so long.
119.55, Delta Charlie.
25 Mike, traffic 1 o'clock and about a mile and a half southeastbound, a Cessna 2600 indicated.
We got traffic outside Mike.
53 Mike, roger, frequency change approved. See it.
Alright, 53 Mike.
Big flock of birds. Okay, we're just going a little bit higher to stay over them. And now we're going to drop our power.
Dumbarton departure, 918 Hotel Yankee. 8 Hotel Yankee, roger, right Dumbarton. Roger, ready for clear for takeoff, 918 Hotel Yankee. 6 Alpha X-ray, number 11931, clear for the house. Number 131, 6 Alpha X-ray. 00 Papa, contact ground, good day.
We're just going to do a straight out departure. Do you want the ground or with you?
00 Papa, remain this frequency, runway 31 taxi back via the parallel.
31 taxi via the parallel, 00 Papa.
Papa, straight out, runway 31, clear for takeoff.
31 clear for takeoff, 00 Papa.
This is 6 Alpha X-ray, hold short, runway 31.
Hold short 31, 6 Alpha X-ray.
Strobe. Cameras
8 Hotel
on.
Yankee, frequency change approved, we'll see it.
8 Hotel Yankee, we'll see you in a little bit.
Tower, Cessna 739 Lima, are ready for takeoff on 31.
Number 2.
Okay, engines in the green, speed's alive. We're at 50 knots. 55, rotate. Flying.
Tower, Cessna 739
74.
ready for takeoff on 31 with Lima.
This is 6 Alpha X-ray, the F1 Cessna departing the pattern, runway 31, clear for takeoff.
Clear takeoff 31, 6 Alpha X-ray.
739 Zulu and Palo Alto Tower, pull up, hold short, runway 31.
Pull up, hold short, 31. Nine to the Lima.
Zero Papa, we're just going over to San Carlos.
This is 9 Zulu Lima, follow the F1 Cessna, runway 31, clear for takeoff, right traffic.
9 to the Lima. Clear for takeoff.
00 Papa, roger, contact San Carlos Tower, 119.0, slow.
119.0, thanks, 00 Papa.
Man, the 628 Alpha, frequency change approved, see it.
628 Alpha, frequency change, thanks. Advise, on initial contact, you have Oscar.
Oscar.
San Carlos for information, Oscar 20480. Wind 350 at 6. Visibility 10. Sky clear. Temperature 19er, dew point 10. Altimeter 3019er. Visual approach, runway 30 ADS. San Francisco Tower is not accepting.
We're on COM 1. San Carlos Tower, 3800 Papa, inbound from Palo Alto with Oscar full stop.
Helicopter 71 at RT Hotel, San Carlos, ground on request. That aircraft calling San Carlos Tower, say again, please.
Cessna 3800 Papa, inbound from Palo Alto with Oscar full stop.
Cessna 3800 Papa, San Carlos Tower. Enter right base, runway 30, report the command plan.
Right base for 30 and we'll report command plan 3800 Papa.
Actually, you can amend your entry instructions, make a modified straight in for runway 30. Continue amount to the airport, runway 30 for the land.
Modified straight in, 30, clear to land, 3800 Papa, thank you. set to get down.